Bullish experts at 2030 Market predict that the price of Bitcoin Cash will be between $530.60 and $1,002.25 by 2025, except that BCH could reach $412.69. Bearish, the price of Bitcoin on the money market is expected to be 94.33 in 2023. How Bitcoin Cash works. Bitcoin Cash is one of the most well-known forks of the first Bitcoin network. The idea for the cryptocurrency came from Satoshi Nakamoto's disappointment with where Bitcoin was going, which was away from his original plan for it to work as a digital cash. Around this time, supporters of Bitcoin Cash were saying that Bitcoin was not the real Bitcoin and that it should be ignored. This was thought to be the start of a national conflict. Then, in August 2017, Bitcoin Cash was created through a fork that had a good start but has been troubled ever since. Bitcoin Cash is meant to be a more valuable form of cash, and digital currency fans often invest in it. The price of the coin has the usual market volatility, but many people think its future will be brighter and offer more value in the coming years, even though it isn't the oldest currency. Bitcoin Cash is one of the best and most well-known forks of the digital currency. It was created not long before Bitcoin reached its previous all-time high of $20,000 at the end of 2017. Bitcoin Cash was made, and the number of the blocks in the chain was increased so that more transactions could be processed quickly. It's interesting to note that the digital currency split into Bitcoin Cash ABC and Bitcoin Cash SV in November 2018. This shows a willingness to keep Bitcoin and digital currencies in general moving forward, but BCH's split was mostly caused by Bitcoin's 1 megabyte block size limit. Since blocks couldn't handle the increase in size for transactions piled up and waited for confirmation. Bitcoin Cash proposed making blocks between 8 megabytes and 32 megabytes in size. Depending on how many extra exchanges are handled per block, there are usually between 1,000 and 1,500 exchanges in a Bitcoin block, and the price history of Bitcoin started in August 2017 at $573. Bitcoin Cash has reached its peak. After a bad break from the sideways, the high Bitcoin Cash technical analysis price also fell under another lower low. Channels showing a downtrend close to the 100 support. It is oversold, suggesting a possible passage point for a swing trade. There is a downward trend on all time scales, including short, medium, and long term. The MACD line is above the MACD signal line, but the RSI is under 45. This means that energy is mixed. The MACD histogram bars are getting smaller, which could show a lack of force. Overall volume is level, which means that it changes in the same way. $100 is the closest backing zone, and $150 is the closest blocking zone. $200 is the next closest zone. $280 and $340 our price estimates are based on real-time data from the Bitcoin Cash market, which is updated live on our website. This lets us give dynamic price estimates based on how the market is moving at the moment. From some points of view, Bitcoin Cash is one of the digital currencies that will rise the most this year. The BCH price figure for 2023 predicts a huge rise in the last part of the year, possibly reaching 176.87. This is similar to other cryptographic forms of money, where the rise will be steady but there won't be any big drops. An average price of 165.8 cents is a high goal, but it's possible soon given current trends. Every 2024, BCH should have a base value of 141.49 Bitcoin Cash value estimate 2024. Bitcoin Cash BCH price prediction has a lot of room for growth because many new organizations and projects are expected to announce themselves soon. We think that the price of BCH will soon go above 294.78. Even so, we should wait to see if the BCH's general strength record comes out of the oversold zone before putting down any positive trades. Taking into account the uncertainty of the market, the base exchange rate for BCH will be 235.82 cents, and the average exchange rate will be 259.41 cents. Bitcoin cash value prediction for 2025. If the upward trend continues until 2025, it could hit $412.69, and BCH might do well. If the market goes down, however, the goal may not be reached. In 2025, the average price of BCH should be $377.32 and the lowest price should be $353.73. Expected value of Bitcoin Cash in 2026, if Bitcoin Cash works well. Digital currency fans think that the price of a BCH coin could stay the same for the next 5 years. Based on our predictions, BCH will be green in 2026. The BCH is expected to hit and beat its all-time high in 2026. In 2026, the virtual currency will be worth $530.60, with a base price of $471.65 and an average price of $495.23. After doing some general research and specialized research, we think that the BCH price will hit a normal value level of 613.14 by 2027. Before the end of the year, the base price of BCH is expected to be 589.56. Its highest number is 648.51. Bitcoin Cash price prediction for 2028, based on things that are supposed to happen by 2028. We think that a bullish trend will keep pushing the average price up to around $731.05. If BCH manages to break the safe level in 2028, the highest price could be $766.43. If BCH doesn't get the support it needs by 2028, the lowest price could be $707.47. Bitcoin Cash value prediction for 2029. BCH is working to make it easier for organizations to communicate with each other. The bullish trend from the past year is expected to continue, so the base exchange rate has been set at $825.38 and the annual price is expected to be close to $884.34. By 2030, the value of Bitcoin is expected to be by 2030. Bitcoin Cash will finally do better than its past ADH values and reach new price levels. The lowest price could be $943.29, and the highest price could be $1,025.25. The average price would be $966.88.